Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Burak and I'm traveling the world, and today I'm in Theth National Park in Albania, and in this video we will be going to the waterfall, and right after that we will be going to the Blue Eye. Keep watching. So how to go waterfall? Basically on the Theth National Park there is only one way. You have to follow the river right there, and on the way you'll be always seeing the red sign, so you'll just keep going by the river. It takes approximately like 40-45 minutes. Actually there is no other way. You have to hike to the waterfall, but don't worry, it doesn't take so long. But after that, to the Blue Eye, you can go by a car, you can buy a tour. Most of the hostels are providing the tours to the Blue Eye, so you can just ask to your hostel owner. As you see, always there is a red and white sign that you can follow while you're hiking. Okay, here the way separates for two way again. If you go from the right side, you can go to the canyon, to the Blue Eye, or to the waterfall. First I will go to the waterfall and then to the Blue Eye. But to go Blue Eye, it takes from waterfall 2 or 2.5 hours, but I guess it's gonna be longer for me. I'm sure I'm gonna take so many videos on the way. If you're wondering how to come to the Thet from Shkoder, actually I've just talked to my hostel owner and they're organizing, but this is a private bus, so it's like 10 euro. But actually there is no other option, that you have to buy this ticket. 10 euro, it's not so much for the way, because it takes like 2.5 hours climbing to the mountain and heading down again. That's the normal price. Wow. Yes, I'm here. Look at this. Crazy, this is crazy. Woo! Ah! This is crazy. This is awesome. You must come here. I think before you go to Blue Eye, you really have to come here. It just takes like 40-45 minutes walking. And look at this, this is only for me. No one is here and I love this place. Alright, it's time to get back. Owner of the hostel, as he said, there is like many places to stop to refresh, that we can swim in the water. So I think it's gonna get more than 2 hours. But anyway, the way is very good, I love it. So before you reach to the red bridge is right there. So before that, you will see the way separates too, so I will go from the canyon part, and the hike is beginning. If you're new in this channel, I started Balkans tour 2 months ago. Right after that I will be back to Turkey, and then after Turkey I will be going to the South Asia from Turkey border. So you can support me with subscribing my channel and liking this video. Thank you very much. You ready? it's fine. It's okay. So here we are, we came to the Blue Eye. Look at this house. I think it's a very old one. Here we are on the Blue Eye of North. From down it looks very good, but here I guess better. Oh my god. Look at this, we have to cross by this bridge. This is insane. Here is the Blue Eye. Wow. Just amazing, just amazing. This is crazy. Hey, leave Gonzalez. Fuck, I'm so happy now. Do you feel the cold? Fuck. This is amazing. Just amazing. Cheers.
Hello guys, so we're gonna do a player with
Burak, Felipe.
Kristalina also. So
Right.
let's do it.
How was it?
The player, it was like this, and like this. If you lose, like if you have to do this,
You have to swim.
yeah,
The loser have to swim.
yeah,
No.
yes,
No.
yes, yes,
No.
yes, we do like that. 1, 2, 3. Go and swim, go and swim. We're gonna swim now. The loser. Oh my gosh, he's doing for real. So let's check him and I was doing it wrong, but Woo! 1, 2, 3, go jump in it.
In south there is another Blue Eye. I've been there. If you want, you can watch the video from here. I will put the card. But this is really different feelings because it's unique. Looks like you're in Avatar movie setting. This is crazy. Really, I'm saying like too many times really, but this place is really wow. You have to come if you are in Albania. I think one of the best place in Albania, Blue Eye in Shkoder, and you have to visit. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on next video.